Hello everyone, myself I'm Dr. Vijay Kumar, working as a manufacturing and IM&OR faculty in GATE Acharya Institute. Now here I would like to share a few things related to MEA and PI GATE papers. So small tips and tricks and also strategy for preparation in a short period of time. Now in this first we take that mechanical syllabus is very vasty. Don't panic about that. Before that, you need to understand one thing. Focus on the subjects which you are having huge command, right? So don't leave that mathematics, aptitude, and which is having highest weightage in the technical subject. First, you need to decide that. So definitely you need to follow mathematics, quantitative aptitude, and then go for the technical subject which is having the highest weightage. Suppose, for example, if you take that mechanical GATE paper, apart from the mathematics and aptitude, production is having the highest weightage. Production which covers that basic manufacturing technology, machine tool operations, advanced machining operation, metrology, and material science. Among all these, you will get 20 to 25 marks. Last year, it is 24 marks. So for this, you just prepare a subject in such a way that collect all the previous year questions from last 10 years. And then pick the questions from which topic the question is coming. Then practice on the topic and get the command on that. So after that, go to the test material which institute provided. That material, just solve all the exercise book. Okay, so in that you will get the more command on the solving the questions. So after that, second weightage is that very contract questions from IM&OR. That means industrial management and operation research, where you need to study the topics, forecasting, inventory control, break-even analysis, CPM and part. So these topics definitely having the question and easy to solve the questions. So that is why practice more number of questions, and after that you select any other two subjects. Don't go for all subjects and get panic. Okay, so select the highest weightage subjects, at least 4 in the technical and aptitude and maths, so that you will be able to easily crack the GATE.
So may I know your qualification and experience about in GATE industry, sir?
Yes, sir. My qualification is I have done my masters in NIT Surathkal, and after that I finished my PhD, sir. And later on, I started teaching GATE since 10 more years.
Okay. Is it easy to score in mechanical GATE examinations compared to other streams? How it is?
Yes, sir. Very easy compared to the other streams, because students need to be a good strategy in that. So, like just now we have discussed that selecting the selective subjects and getting the more command on that by practicing more number of questions.
Okay. So what are the opportunities for PSUs, opportunities for mechanical students?
Yes, mechanical students having the huge number of PSUs like BHL, NTPC, PARC and Coal India. So many other PSUs are also there. So if you are targeting for 70 marks, definitely the student will be in the PSU, sir.
Okay, so what is the opportunity for IIT and NIT admissions for through GATE exams?
Yeah, it is a very good point to discuss. See, most of the students, particularly mechanical students, are not interested to join in in MS program, MTech program in NIT IIT. But this time, the sheets are vacant in some IITs and NITs, particularly MTech program. That is why it is a good opportunity for the students. Even if you qualified in the GATE, definitely students will get NIT in mechanical. So why I'm telling this, I worked in NIT Calicut. So as an adjunct faculty for 2 years, there also the seats are not filling in the particularly mechanical branch for MTech. So they are conducting that spot admission for without non-GATE for self-finance themselves. So here what I'm concluding for this point is that the student got qualified in the GATE for mechanical paper. So even he may get any NIT or IIT branch. After that, his profile will be 10%, 10 times boosted than the UG degree.
Okay, so then normally nowadays choosing mechanical is going to be very less when they are staying in UG programs. Mostly they will be moving to the other department, other streams like computer science related streams.
Yes.
Is it good for student point of view for studying right now choosing mechanical?
And Caesar, there is some good things. That means in mechanical also, we have some integrated these courses, that is CSC courses. Suppose say that digital manufacturing, so which requires CSC programming people and also mechanical people. So if these kind of courses are introduced already in the NIT and IIT, So students, if you utilize that facilities, advanced manufacturing systems, and which is integrated with the CSC aligned branches.
Okay. So will the students able to choose PG program apart from mechanical programs?
Yes, sir. We can. The students can choose even CSC computer science also. They can select as a MTech program.
Okay.
Some NITs are offering that, and they gave the paper in mechanical gate, and they can admit the MTech program in NIT or IIT in some CSC PG programs.
Okay. So what is the opportunity in government sector like in ESC, engineering service exam, SSC exams for mechanical engineers?
So very good opportunities are there, sir. But students should be very aware and thoroughly follow the notifications and prepare themselves. Self-motivation required, continuous studies, consistency of studying is very important. So don't leave whatever the preparation you are doing. So attempt 2-3 times so that you will be able to definitely settle down in ESC or SSC JE very easily, sir.
Okay, to score average marks about 50 marks in GATE exam. So what are the subjects is required to prepare? Is it required to prepare all the subjects, or some specific subject is necessary? Is it enough to score well in 50 plus?
Exactly, 50 plus marks is easy to crack, sir. Not even go for all the subjects which are available in the mechanical. See, suppose just now I have already discussed this. That is maths and aptitude. Apart from that, select the technical subjects which are having the highest weightage, like manufacturing and IM&R, heat transfer and fluid mechanics, strength of materials, engineering mechanics. So these subjects, if they study, so definitely they will crack more than 50%, 50 marks, sir.
Okay. So final question, if the students after +2, so higher secondary, choosing mechanical, is it good or bad?
It's good, sir.
Okay.
Very good. Actually, mechanical having a huge number of opportunities. Unfortunately, since COVID, we are more dropouts in the mechanical. Hopefully, in the near future, it will get boost up, sir.
So it's going to be create some demand.
Demand, yes, sir. Yeah. In upcoming years, it is going to be create huge demand for the mechanical engineers.
Final input for preparing GATE aspirant appearing to GATE 2026 as well as 27.
So yes, sir. Steps means here select a good number of subjects and focus on that topics which you are having command. That means, see, suppose if you're manufacturing, if you take that, whatever the subject you are in command, so take them into little more advanced level. That means more number of tape by watching, by reading the textbooks, standard textbooks, and then solve the more number of questions so that they will get command, and continuously preparation is also required for 2026 aspirants and 27 aspirants.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.